Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your product keywords in Amazon Seller Central. Keywords are crucial for making sure your products are found by the right customers on Amazon. So let's dive in and make your listings more discoverable. The first step is to log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, head over to the Inventory tab at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Inventory. This will bring you to a page with all your product listings. Next, find the product listing you want to update. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by entering the product name, SKU or ASIN. Once you've found the product, click on the Edit button next to it. This will take you to the product details page, where you can make changes to various aspects of your listing. Ensure you're on the Product Detail tab. Here you'll find the field where you can enter your search terms, also known as backend keywords. These are the keywords that help Amazon's algorithm understand when to display your product in search results. To update your keywords, simply click in the search terms box and enter the new keywords you want to use. Be sure to separate each keyword with a space. You do not need commas, and Amazon allows up to 250 bytes for this field, so use this space wisely. It's highly beneficial to have a keyword research tool like Helium 10 or a similar option. These tools can help you extract highly relevant keywords for your product listings. If you don't have access to a paid tool, you can use any free Amazon keyword extension. For example, in this video, I'm using the AMS Suggestion Expander, but feel free to use any extension you prefer. We're not promoting any specific one. Amazon also suggests keywords when you search for a product. These suggestions are typically highly relevant to the product you're looking for. For example, here you can see the keywords Amazon has generated, which are tailored specifically to this product. Now, these keywords are generated by the extension we're using, which is the AMS Suggestion Expander. Simply enter the product name in the Amazon search bar, and you'll see multiple relevant keyword suggestions appear below it. You can use these suggested keywords to optimize your product listings. Avoid repeating words or using commas. Keep it clean and straightforward. Once you've updated your keywords, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save and Finish to apply the changes. It might take some time for these changes to be reflected in your product's visibility on Amazon, so be patient and monitor the performance. And that's how you update your product keywords in Amazon Seller Central. Keeping your keywords up to date and relevant is key to improving your product's visibility and driving more sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.